Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Today I'll be making eggs. I know it doesn't seem like such a big deal, but the eggs in this recipe are to die for. They're absolutely delicious. Also, the bread they have at Walmart, if you look in the back around the dairy section, sometimes the bread section, they'll have a little area where the bread is really cheap. This bread right here I only paid 69 cents for. So you're going to want to start off with a cold pan. You're going to crack your 2 eggs, put them in a bowl, and mix them. You're going to whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk them. Yeah, so you're going to want to keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. You don't want the eggs to stick and overcook. You want them a little wet. Don't season the eggs with salt or pepper right now. You're going to save that till the very end. Okay, we have the eggs. They're almost done. I've already pre-toasted the bread. Here we go, a little salt and a little pepper. And we are just about ready to plate. I have my 2 pieces of toast. And these eggs, they're still a little wet. They're going to go right over the toast. And they're going to have that deep butter flavor with the fresh salt and pepper right on it. It's absolutely fabulous. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.